In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Elementor template effortlessly. Whether you're trying to streamline your workflow, ensure consistency across your design projects, or simply preserve your progress. Saving your Elementor templates is a crucial step every designer should know. Let's dive right in. Start by opening the page in Elementor that you'd like to transform into a template. Navigate through your WordPress dashboard, and once you locate your desired page, click on Edit with Elementor. This takes you directly into the Elementor editor where all the magic happens. Seeing your work in the editor is always exciting because you get to see your creativity come to life in real time. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Publish or Update, accompanied by a small downward arrow. This is your gateway to saving your current design as a reusable template. Give that arrow a click, and a little drop-down menu appears. In the drop-down, you'll find an option called Save as Template. Select this option, and you'll be prompted to give your template a name. Think of this as naming a file on your computer. Choose something descriptive that will help you easily identify this template later, especially if you plan on creating several of them. It could be simply the page purpose or a brief descriptor like Homepage, Fall Sale Layout. Next, you have the option to decide where you'd like to save your template. You can choose Site Templates, which saves it locally on your current site. This option is ideal if you're working within one specific site and want quick access whenever you're building new pages or elements in the same environment. Alternatively, for those who've connected their Elementor account, there's the Cloud Templates option. This is your go-to if you need your template to be available remotely, allowing access across multiple websites associated with your account. It's perfect for designers, freelancers, or agencies managing several clients with different sites. Once you've made your choice, just click on the Save button. Your newly created template will now be safely stored and easily accessible. To find it later, simply navigate to the template library and look under the My Templates tab. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've added a powerful tool to your design toolkit. Saving your templates not only boosts efficiency, but also ensures your designs stay consistent across the board. So the next time you're aiming for that quick and professional-looking page, remember your templates are just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!